There's a lot of functionality inside the Enterprise Console, and for that reason we've given you some control over which particular types of users can access which particular areas. A good example is that you may not want your help desk users, for example, to be able to set policies or make changes to computers, but you may want them to be able to run a scan or to clean up a virus on a particular machine. For that reason we use role-based administration. I'm going to just take you very briefly through how that works. So inside the Enterprise Console there's an option for managing roles and sub-estates, and in this case we have some roles that already exist. I'm going to create a new role for the purposes of this. I'm going to call that role name Help Desk, and you can see here on the left hand side I've now got a list of all of the available rights that I can give to this particular role. For the purposes of my Help Desk, I want them to be able to search for computers and protect them. I want them to be able to do cleanup, and actually for now that's all. Once I decide what rights I want them to have, I then choose which users are a part of that particular role. So I can add, in this case I'll put the user's name in, check that user exists in Active Directory, and it will now tie their Active Directory logon to their roles in the Enterprise Console. In addition, you're also able to now divide your Enterprise Console into sub-estates. So if you want someone in a different part of the world, for example, to have a different view to someone who's responsible for stuff globally, you can do that as well. So if we look at Europe here, and look at the Europe view, we can see that the only things that the European sub-estate can see are Germany, France, Italy and the UK. They don't have access, for example, to the US area of the console. And then in the same way, the users and groups are listed underneath. If you want to get a quick view of which users have which particular roles or sub-estates assigned, you can do that from here as well, simply by searching for the user. And then it returns to us which role they have and also which sub-estates are visible to them. So really just giving you an extra level of control in a simple and an easy way to set up.